From Gutenberg to gigabytes, a journey through the history of printers. Ever wondered how we went from painstakingly hand-copying documents to instantly printing them from our computers? The story of the printer is a fascinating journey through innovation, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of faster and more efficient communication. Let's dive in. Before the digital age, the concept of automated printing was already taking shape. These early inventions laid the groundwork for the printers we know and use today. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press, invented around 1440, revolutionized the world. Using movable type, it allowed for the mass production of books, democratizing knowledge and transforming society. While not a printer in the modern sense, the printing press established the fundamental principle of transferring ink to paper using a mechanical process. This was the crucial first step. The 19th century saw the emergence of machines that could automate aspects of the printing process. These inventions were crucial stepping stones. Charles Babbage's difference engine and analytical engine, though never fully realized in his lifetime, envisioned mechanical computation. These concepts indirectly influenced the development of printing mechanisms. In 1837, Charles Cowper patented a printing telegraph. This device could transmit and print messages over long distances, marking an early form of remote printing. The invention of the typewriter in the late 19th century had a profound impact on printing technology. It introduced the concept of individual character printing. Christopher Latham Sholes is credited with inventing the first commercially successful typewriter in 1868. This machine allowed users to create legible documents quickly and efficiently. The typewriter's keyboard, layout, and printing mechanism influenced the development of later printers, particularly those used with early computers. As computers emerged in the mid-20th century, the need for a way to output digital information became apparent. This led to the development of the first computer printers. Early computer printers were often based on existing technologies, such as typewriters and teleprinters. They were slow, noisy, and expensive, but they represented a significant step forward. The Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, one of the first electronic general-purpose computers, used a modified IBM electric typewriter as its output device. Dot matrix printers emerged as a more affordable and versatile alternative to early computer printers. They used tiny pins to strike an ink ribbon, creating characters and images from a matrix of dots. Centronics, founded in 1968, became a leading manufacturer of dot matrix printers. Their printers were widely used in businesses and homes throughout the 1970s and 1980s. Epson also played a significant role in the development and popularization of dot matrix technology. Their printers were known for their reliability and affordability. The invention of the laser printer in the late 1960s revolutionized the printing industry. It offered significantly faster printing speeds and higher print quality than dot matrix printers. Gary Starkweather at Xerox is credited with inventing the laser printer. He modified a Xerox copier to use a laser beam to create an image on a drum, which then transferred toner to paper. In 1984, Hewlett-Packard, HP, introduced the LaserJet, the first commercially successful desktop laser printer. This printer brought laser printing technology to a wider audience. Inkjet printers offered a more affordable alternative to laser printers while still providing good print quality. They work by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper. Canon introduced the bubblejet printer in the late 1970s, which used heat to create bubbles that ejected ink onto the page. This technology became a cornerstone of inkjet printing. HP also played a key role in the development of inkjet technology. Their ThinkJet printer, introduced in 1984, was one of the first commercially successful inkjet printers. Early printers were primarily monochrome, but the demand for color printing grew steadily. The development of color printing technologies was a significant milestone. Color dot matrix printers used multiple colored ribbons to create color images. However, the print quality was often limited. Color inkjet printers offered a more vibrant and detailed color output. They use multiple ink cartridges, typically cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK, to create a wide range of colors. Today, printers are ubiquitous in homes, offices, and businesses around the world. They have become more affordable, faster, and more versatile than ever before. Modern printers offer a wide range of features, including wireless connectivity, mobile printing, and cloud integration. They can print on a variety of media, including paper, envelopes, labels, and even fabric. 3D printing has emerged as a revolutionary technology that allows users to create three-dimensional objects from digital designs. This technology has the potential to transform manufacturing, healthcare, and many other industries. The future of printing is likely to be shaped by several key trends, including increased automation, personalization, and sustainability. We can expect to see printers that are more intelligent and capable of adapting to individual user needs. They may also be more environmentally friendly, using less energy and producing less waste. The line between printing and other forms of digital fabrication may continue to blur, leading to new and innovative applications. The journey of the printer, from Gutenberg's printing press to today's sophisticated devices, is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of innovation. It's a story that continues to unfold, with exciting new developments on the horizon. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of printers, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating tech history and insights. Share this video with your friends who are also tech enthusiasts and history buffs. Let us know in the comments what other tech history topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.